Hello dear students, how are you all? I hope you all are fine and enjoying your online classes. My name is Manish Kumar Vishwakarma and my today's topic is Understanding Criminal Justice System from SST in Civics. And my today's topic is Rules of Arrest, Role of the Public Prosecutor, Role of Defense Lawyer, Role of Judge. In my previous video, I have already discussed about our role of the police, FIR, silent feature of FIR, refusal to a laws and FIR, investigation, and today I am going to discuss with you on this topic. Rules of arrest. According to our constitution and criminal law, arrested person enjoy the following rights: to be informed of the reason for arrest, to be defended by a lawyer of his or her choice, not to be tortured and not be forced to confess guilt. Also, women and children under the age of 15 cannot be taken from the residence only for the purpose of questioning. The Supreme Court of India laid down specific requirements and procedures that the police and other agencies have to follow during arrest and detention and interrogation of any person. These are known as DK Basu guidelines, and some of these include: first, the police official who carry out the arrest for interrogation should wear clear, accurate and visible identification and name tags with their designation. A memo of arrest should be prepared at the time of arrest and should include the time and date of arrest. It should be also attested by at least one witness who could include a family member of arrested person. The arrest memo should be countersigned by the person arrested. The person arrested, detained or being interrogated has right to inform relative, etc. Fourth, when a friend or relative lives outside the district, the time, place or arrest and venue of custody must be notified by the police within 8 to 12 hours after the arrest. Third topic is the role of the public prosecutor. The public prosecutor role begins when the police has conducted the investigation and fill a charge sheet in the court. As a court employee, he is required to play an impartial and neutral role and help in the prosecution of all the persons who have been charged by the police. He is often in a tight situation because he faces tremendous pressure while executing responsibilities. He has to present true fact and evidence before the court, thus enabling the court to decide the case. Public prosecutors are gazette officers who are appointed by the state to help in the prosecution of offenders to keep the society free from crimes. Role of defense lawyer. Role of defense lawyer. The lawyer who tries to prove in a court of the law that someone accused is not guilty is called defense lawyer. He or she defend an accused in a court law for which he or she cross-examines all the prosecution witness and present witness in the accused defense. Our fourth topic is role of judge. The trial judge informs the accused in writing of the offense for which he or she will face a trial. The trial judge conducts the trial impartially and in an open court he sit hear all witness any other evidence represented by prosecution and the defense. After hearing all this, he decided whether the accused person is guilty or not. Fair trial. A trial is considered fair if the accused get a copy of the documents on which the charge is based. The trial is held in an open court and in presence of the accused. The accused is defended by a lawyer who is allowed to question the witness presented by the public prosecutor and also allowed to present witness and is based only the available evidences, and the verdict is based only on the available evidences. Dear children, that is all for today. Bye. Take care. Have a nice day. See you in the next class.